You have 3 wishes, but I warn you, for anything you wish for, your husband gets it 100 times over.
Okay, fine by me.
What's your first wish?
I want to be extremely beautiful.
You do understand what you're asking. This means your husband will become so handsome that all the women will fall in love with him.
I'm not interested. Give it to me as it is.
Okay. And what is your second wish?
I want to have $10 million.
Okay, but I have to remind you that in this way your husband will receive $1 billion.
It's better this way, and we have a joint account.
Okay. Now your account is full of money. What is your third wish?
I want to have a teeny tiny heart attack.